Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Watla ka jala Meghalaya mentakadan hapdeng ka jingkang snong, ka jing perkheng ka let kawan yung kinong snong, na kaway ka district siya kaway pat, kumjo na kaway ka jala siya kaway pan, banyile persya na ka jing sapriang, uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Handray ka sorkar menta kala panjunsori kikandon kerpang yaki Nongrep, hakani ka jala. Menteri rang ba ka jala o Conrad kongkal Sangma, habakran si kipat ba ka jala lang ba kinong patay kubor, haka kat pratarik mentaw banayayong arajar arpaw. Ulay itu baka sorkar kalapelat ya kinong rep bakin Sdang Biang ya kam rep jongki hakitay Nongkyndong. Henry kiri ban buran tiru ya kajing peta jong sorkar ban om yelum bun breu hakasijaka ban penya jingai hapadeng uway na kaway pan bat ban om dan kajing khot bela nong tre haka kam rep da kinong bela na kiway pa ki district ne na barjela. Kumjo ka sorkar klasya ro ban shalan ya kimar rep shakiyaw hakani ka jela bakan top yo sensar ukway bat tumpo.
As you're aware that we are allowing agriculture activities in the villages to take place where strict protocols for social distancing are being asked to be maintained, and most importantly, movement of manpower from across the border of different states is not being allowed. I would like to add out here that this also in agriculture includes products like areca nut, betel leaf and broomsticks also. So therefore farmers who are farming in these products will be allowed to transport their products to different markets. But as I said, the restriction of sending it across the district, across the state will not be allowed, and also entry of traders from outside the state will not be allowed. Therefore, whatever marketing has to be done has to be organized in collaboration with the deputy commissioners so that these restrictions are followed, but the sale and purchase of the betel nut and betel leaf and also the broomsticks will be allowed.